Welcome to Whispered Wealth, where navigating your finances is as easy as taking a deep breath. Investing doesn't have to be noisy. Let's talk about index funds. Steady, reliable, and oh so relaxing. Picture your money growing quietly over time, like planting seeds and watching them sprout. Slowly, steadily, into a lush garden. Start small. Contribute regularly. And let compound interest work softly in the background. Investing is patience in action, bringing a peaceful future closer. For Whispered Wealth, I'm Chris Browning. Don't forget to take a deep breath.